Today I'm calling you. I'm asking you to join the David Bombal army. I want you to help me help other people change their lives. I want you to change your life, but to also help me change the lives of other people. I want you to help me raise a standard against the doubters, against the haters, against the people that tell you that you can't do it. We're going to prove those people wrong by helping you and helping others change their lives for the better. Don't let the doubters, don't let the haters hold you back. No matter what I do, someone's going to complain. Someone's going to be upset with what I'm doing. You've got to ignore those haters. You've got to ignore those doubters. You've got to ignore the people that told you that you can't do it. Don't focus on those people. Focus and spend time with people that believe in you. I believe that you can do it. Spend time with people like me and others that believe that you can change your life by putting in the effort. This is not just some stupid story. I've seen many people do it. I've done it. Many others have done it. I get stories all the time of how people have changed their lives by putting in the effort and studying for their CCNA or other certifications. You can do it. Put the time in and make sure that you change your life. But I'm calling you to join me. I'm calling you to help me change the lives of others. You can do that by getting involved. As an example, by sharing this video with others, by liking this video, by putting a comment below this video. The more people that I can help, the happier I'll be. So please help me help others. Join me by doing things such as sharing this video on social media platforms, telling your friends about it, subscribing to my YouTube channel. A lot of people that watch my videos are not subscribed, and that reduces my reach on YouTube. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, it improves my reach on YouTube. It allows me to talk to companies, as an example, to get sponsorships. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, click on the bell to get notifications. Help me help you, but also help me help other people to change their lives by improving my reach on social media. Okay, really excited to let you know that I'm going to be running another giveaway today. Today is Cisco Day, if you like. I'm going to be giving away CCNA content, CCNP content, packet tracer content, a whole bunch of content that many of you have asked for. CCNA is a fantastic certification to get if you want to get into networking, so you want to become a network engineer or you want to be an ethical hacker. It gives you the foundational knowledge of networking that you require to be a good network engineer or a good ethical hacker. Use these courses to change your life. Now, some of you are further in your careers, so I'm also going to be giving away the CCNP ENCOR and ENARSI courses. A lot of you have told me in the past that these are courses that you want. You don't just want CCNA content, you also want more in-depth content such as CCNP content. So I'm going to be giving away the CCNP courses today as well. I'm David Bombal, and I want to wish you all the very best. Go out there and make the most of your life, but also help others. I think it's a huge blessing to be able to help people. So I'm going to help you, hopefully, and many, many others change their lives, but also join me and help other people change their lives.